Hi everyone! So I've recently started doing acrylic pouring, and some of my paintings didn't turn out as good as I wish they would have. So I've decided to repaint on top, and the following video that I'm gonna show you is gonna be a painting saved with RainX. Just a car window cleaner. So I hope you find this video useful and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So here's the finished piece, and I really like the way it turned out actually. Never planned for it to turn out this way, but I really think it looks like a field of flowers. So if you have a look at the close-ups, RainX did create this kind of flowery, feathery effect on the cells, which I absolutely love. And I think in future I'm gonna try and experiment on larger canvases with maybe more gentle colors. So let's see and stay tuned for more experiments. Bye!